What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I shall be unboxing the brand new M1 equipped 13-inch MacBook Pro. I will be uploading a number of different videos, whether it's comparing this M1 equipped MacBook Pro to its predecessor which ran an Intel based CPU, or if it's comparing this MacBook Pro to the other lineup of Macs that Apple have just released with this M1 processor. So if you are interested in seeing those videos, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when those go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. Apple are claiming that we should see around a 2.8 times CPU improvement with a whopping 5 times graphical improvement. Now pair this with the touted 20 hours of battery life and for the same £1,299 price tag, they may very well be onto a winner. But enough about that, let's crack open Apple's first professional MacBook equipped with their own silicon. So lifting away the box does reveal the MacBook placed atop, as we've seen in previous years. Now as you can see, the particular model that I've chosen to go for is the one with the space grey colour, which is a little disappointing, especially seeing as Apple technically do not sell an iPhone that will match this colour in space grey. Of course you've got the black iPhone 12 and you've got the graphite iPhone 12 Pros. And as we saw the other day when I unboxed the MacBook Air, with this MacBook Pro we've also got two USB 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports along with a single 3.5mm headphone jack. One of the first things you'll see is your Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. Now within this you'll find a number of different pieces of information. The first of these is of course your quick start guide, which will give you a general overview on the layout of ports and the keys on the touch bar, along with of course how to set up the device. This is then followed up by your health and safety disclaimer, details on your 1-year limited Apple warranty, and 2 color matching Apple stickers. Further inspection of the box reveals a 61-watt USB-C power adapter which can be modified to support different power outlets while traveling around the world. Now it should be good to charge this MacBook Pro in just around 2 hours. You may also recall that this year's iPhones do not come with a power adapter included, which means that the USB-C to Lightning cable that comes supplied can also be used with this particular power adapter to fast charge your brand new iPhone 12. And last but not least, you do also get your 2-meter long USB-C to USB-C cable. Now this particular cable can also be used for transferring files to and from this MacBook Pro. It's not a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so don't get confused with that, but like I said, this can be used for charging up the MacBook along with data transfer. So that'll be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new around here, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any of my new videos. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave it down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can be found down below in the video description. And while you're down there, I will also leave links to where you can purchase this MacBook for the cheapest prices going. But once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.